Hello guys, welcome back to another inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro not charging in case. So, in this case, if your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro is not charging, well, there are a few things here that you may want to try. Now, the thing with the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro here, if you fully drain the battery from it, so that includes the actual earbuds and the casing itself, well, charging it can be a problem. So first things first is you want to charge the actual casing first. So you want to remove both the earbuds here and basically close the actual container and just start charging the actual container only. Now you also may want to use the correct cable for it. So there are different cables out there. There are data cables, charging cables. So make sure you're using a charging cable here, and or in this case, if you still have the original cable for it, use that instead. And also, you make sure that you have like a stable power connection as well. So maybe charge it directly into a port. Don't use like extension cables. Sometimes they don't provide enough power. So yeah, so go ahead and just start charging it. And once it's actually charged a bit, like around like 15 to 30 minutes at least, the case itself, you want to put both the earbuds back in the case and you want to still let them charge. Now, again, you want to wait for about 15 to 30 minutes here. And once the time is up, you go and just try using it again and see if that actually helps. Now, also, while you're doing this, if it doesn't work actually, what you need to do is you may want to also clean the actual earbuds. So you want to go and clean the underneaths of your earbud here, so they have contact points under it. So if they're dirty or any grime or dirt is underneath or in between the contact points, the earbuds won't be able to charge properly. So use a dry soft cloth, clean it gently. And also you may want to look inside the actual casing here and see if there are any like dirt lodged in there. So you may want to use a Q-tip or some air blower inside of it just to remove any dirt or grime. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.